Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Google Gemini app if it's not working on your iPhone or iOS device. Maybe it's continuously loading or there's glitches, bugs, issues in general. I'm going to provide a lot of solutions within this video and hopefully it helps you fix the problem when using this app. So if it does help, please like and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. It really helps me out. Let's get into it. Basically, I've got the iPhone right here. I've got Google Gemini downloaded on this device. I'm going to open Google Gemini. And then basically, for the sake of this video, let's just say that it's not working or there's some issues or whatever. What we can do is basically swipe out of here from the bottom of the device, press and swipe up until we can actually see all of the currently open apps on this device. And we've got Google Gemini right here. You can hold it and basically swipe up and down. Swipe it from the bottom up, and then that is going to close down the app so that we can back out of here, go to the page and find the Google Gemini button again, open the app, and then hopefully that fixes your issues and you're able to use the Google Gemini app effectively. But from there, guys, essentially you might still have issues with Google Gemini because of your Wi-Fi connection or your internet connection. It might not be good enough to actually run Google Gemini. A lot of these apps nowadays need a good solid internet connection to be able to run the app effectively. So we can do that by checking the settings on the device. Go to settings and then from here back out until we find the settings main page. Find Wi-Fi up near the top. And then as you can see, I'm connected to a very stable EE home internet source, full bars right there. But if you've got a weak internet connection, maybe try connecting to a personal hotspot or even just backing out of here and going to mobile data. It might be cellular data for you. And in the top right, make sure that mobile data or cellular data is toggled on, and the mobile data options underneath, make sure that roaming is turned on as well. But from there, it might just be an issue with you not actually running the latest version of the app. And we can check that by going to the App Store. Click the App Store button, and then on the bottom right, go to the search page, and up at the top, start typing in Google Gemini. Press search on the bottom right, and that's going to load a bunch of different listings for you. Scroll down until you find Google Gemini right here, this listing, and on the right hand side there's a button that says open. That means that we're currently running the latest version of this app. But if your button doesn't say open but it says update instead, press the update button and that will re-download all the files on your device so that you can start using the latest version of that firmware. But from there, guys, if you're still experiencing problems when using the app, what you need to do is go to the settings again. Scroll down until you find General, scroll down until you find iPhone storage, and now we need to find the Google Gemini listing. So it's this one right here. It was near the bottom of the page. It's called Gemini, and then we can go to this button in the middle of the screen that says Offload App in blue text. Press that, and then when you press and when you confirm by pressing Offload App again at the bottom, that is going to clear all of the cache from using this app on your device. And then you can press reinstall app again, and hopefully that fixes all of the issues. Once all of the files have reinstalled and the app has reinstalled on this device, when you start using the app again, hopefully it starts working effectively and smoothly from there. But guys, if you're still having issues, what you need to do as a last resort, as a last and final step, basically delete the app entirely and then re-download it from there. So you can do that from within this page by pressing the delete red text app button. From there, confirm by pressing delete app again. That's going to remove the Google Gemini app from your device. Swipe up, go back to the App Store, find Google Gemini, press the cloud icon with the downwards pointing arrow. That's going to re-download Google Gemini on your device, and hopefully that clears up all of the issues for you. However, guys, if none of these solutions have worked for you at all, what I would highly suggest doing is going to the Google Gemini website and speaking to them directly. Find an email address or a phone number or a live chat option and actually tell them that you're having problems when trying to use their app, and hopefully they can walk you through some different solutions and you can start using their app effectively again. But if none of the fixes within this video help at all, and even contacting Google Gemini themselves does not work, then please comment down below on this video. Tell me what you're experiencing, tell me why you're not being able to use the app, and hopefully I'll be able to come up with a solution directed and tailored specifically for you, and you can start using Google Gemini again. Anyway guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has been, I would really appreciate a like on the video and a subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. Thanks very much.